This is sumo jump squat. Stand with your feet wider than hip distance apart, toes outward. Keeping your back straight, lower into a sumo squat. Make sure your knees don't extend beyond your toes. Then jump as high as you can, reach your arms overhead, land in a squat position, and repeat for 30 to 60 seconds. Here's how to do alternating lunges. Begin with your feet hip distance apart. Step your right foot forward about 2 feet and lower into a lunge. Make sure your knee doesn't go past your ankle. Drive your body off the ground and switch the position of your legs in the air. You should land in a lunge with your left foot forward. Keep alternating sides as you repeat this exercise for 30 to 60 seconds. This is how to do a plyometric side lunge. Stand with your feet about twice as wide as your shoulders. Then jump your left leg to the left and bend your knee to come into a side lunge. At the same time, bring your right hand down to touch the floor in front of your body. Keep your chest high as you do this move. Then drive from your left foot to hop up. Land in side lunge on your right side with your left hand touching the floor. Do this for 30 to 60 seconds. Here's how to do an X-Jack jump. This is a fun twist on classic jumping jacks. Start with your feet together and arms at your sides. As you jump, stretch your arms and legs out to the sides. Think about your body making an X shape in the air. Time yourself aiming for 30 to 60 seconds of movement.
The first thing that we're gonna do is put our weights right at our hips. We're gonna squat back, bringing our chest to the ground, straighten up and lift those weights to the ceiling. And drop and lift. Drop and lift. Make sure that you bring your shoulders down as your hands come up. And you can do up to 30 repetitions of this move. The next one, you're gonna bring your arms all the way into your sides, bent and lifted. Bring them in and you're gonna extend them straight above your head. Drop and extend. And again, you can do up to 30 of these repetitions. Good job. The next one we're gonna do is we're gonna rock the weight in front of us, almost like we're doing a little hook punch here. Swing it back and then bring it straight out in front of us. So 1, 2, notice my weight transfer, 3, straighten up, 4, and 5. Good job. And the last one, we're gonna take both of our weights and put them in our right hand. We're gonna reach at a diagonal to the ground. We're shifting our weight onto our left foot as we extend our right arm up to a high V. So dip and lift. Dip, lift. 4 and 5. Good job. That move you can do 20 of on each side. Great job.
Here's how to combine a squat and an overhead press. Hold your dumbbells at your shoulders and lower into a squat. Then, as you push through your heels to stand back up, press your weights overhead. Do 3 sets of 15 reps.